Apple has released watchOS 11 and bringing powerful health and fitness insights, along with even more personalization, intelligence, and ways to stay connected to the world's most powerful watch. Before go to review, guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. watchOS 11 introducing sleep apnea notifications. The Vitals apps, training load, additional customization for activity rings, a more personalized smart stack and more. Apple Watch now offers a feature to help identify signs of sleep apnea. And the new Vitals app allows users to quickly check in on key health metrics at a glance and gain better context on their health. The ability to measure training load helps users make more informed decisions when working out for improved fitness and performance. And activity rings are even more customizable. Apple Watch and Health app on iPhone and iPad also provide additional support for users who are pregnant. The Smart Stack and Photos Face use intelligence to offer a more experience and check in the Translate app and new capability for double tap gesture to Apple Watch for more convenience and ways to stay connected. Apple Watch uses the accelerometer to monitor small movements, aid the risk during sleep. Data are associated with interruptions in the normal respiratory patterns, tracked by a new Apple Watch metric called breathing disturbances. Users can view their nightly breathing disturbances in the Health app, where they are classified as elevated or not elevated, and can be viewed over a 1 month, 6 months, or a 1 year, following an onboarding for the feature. The new sleep apnea notification algorithm analyzes breathing disturbances data every 30 days. So Apple Watch can notify a user if it identifies signs of sleep apnea. The notification includes the time period when potential sleep apnea occurred and educational materials on the importance of the seeking treatment, along with a PDF providing 3 months of breathing disturbance data. Notification details and additional information for reference during a conversation with a healthcare provider. Sleep apnea notification use the advanced processing power of the S9 SIP and SIP10 and scientifically validated algorithms. The feature was developed with the advanced machine learning and training data from thousands of nights of clinical grade sleep apnea tests and validated in the largest study ever conducted for the FDA clearance of a sleep apnea device. The new Vitals app gives users a way to check in on their daily health status and explore noteworthy overnight health metrics at a glance, so they can easily see when the metrics are out of their typical range. When 2 or more metrics are out of their typical range, user can receive a notification along with a message detailing how the changes in these specific metrics may be linked to other aspects of their life, such as elevation changes, alcohol consumption, or even illness. Apple Watch will establish a 28-day training load, a weighted average taking into account both the duration of users. The fitness app on the iPhone also offers users the ability to customize the summary tab. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.